Hi, today I will show you how to easily remove and replace old AirPod cushions for these Nacon Rig 800 gaming headsets. 99% of all headphones allow you to replace AirPod cushions, so you don't have to buy a new headphones. My grandmother plays computer games so much that the current AirPods have become very dirty and their leather layer is already peeling off. To remove the AirPod you have to grab it and pull it off. It's held on the headphones by this groove, where the edge of the aircap goes in. Links to new replacement AirPods are in the video description. To make it easier to put the AirPod cushion back on, take the edge of the AirPod and stretch it. Then try as much as possible the edge of the AirPod put in the groove of the headphones. It is very important to hold the inserted part with your other hand so that the pod does not slip out. Then all you have to do is pull the edge of the AirPod cushion inside the headphone groove. And all the time as you put a new section into the groove, you keep it there so it does not slip out. This is done until the whole AirPod is on the headphones. At the end, all you have to do is rotate the AirPod, because the seam of the AirPod should be downwards. Then do the same with the other side. As you can see, I put the new replacement AirPods on leather type, because I like them better than the velour type, because the leather type gives better sound, insulation and more bass. But what is the detailed difference between these two AirPod cushion types? See the previous video. But for now, thank you for watching the video. As always, I will be happy to receive a like. Thanks.